Hello everyone. This video is to demonstrate the ASL finger spelling detection project, which is taken as part of a mobile computing course. We are group 39. Uh, in short, the project is basically to uh, predict the American Sign Language based alphabets and words. We basically are using a feature extractor to extract the features of the rest based on the signs that are captured and use a pre-trained CNN model to predict the alphabets from both the alphabets and the words as well. Um, I'll go ahead and start with a demo of this project. Uh, so the all the alphabet ASL alphabet videos that are captured by all the four teammates are uh, are stored under the alphabet videos folder, and all the ASL words that are captured are stored under the word videos folder. And the entire to run the entire workflow, we have a main file which will internally, for the ASL alphabets, it will internally run the ASL frame alphabet frame extractor, and then the alphabet list extraction, which uses postnet to extract the cropped images containing only the right wrist part, and the alphabet prediction Python file, which basically you test training and testing of the alphabet. I'll go ahead with the demo where I'll go through the code as well. Similarly, there are frame extraction, list extraction, and check and prediction files for words as well. Once I run the main file, it prompts us with the options that you can see here to predict the ASL alphabet, to predict the ASL words, and to quit once you're done with everything. So I'll go ahead with option one, which is predicting. So once I start with the ASL alphabets, as you can see, it first goes to the frame extractor, and as you can see, it is extracting the frames for all the videos under the alphabet videos folder. And once it starts, in some time we'll be able to see that frames extracted in the alphabet video frame folder. So the alphabet frame extractor is basically taking account of the total number of frames, and it is taking the exact middle frame from each video, and we are basically resizing the frame to the resolution 1280 by 720 for our so the postnet is extra for the so that the postnet can crop the images accurately for each frame there, so that there is consistency as well. All right. Once that process is done in the main file, you can see it will run the it will run the alphabet list extraction, which is this file, which is internally using postnet to opt in the key point series of each frame, and it is extracting the right rest part and basically cropping the image with the x and y axis details. Before that, once just give me a moment. Right. Once if you can see the alphabet video frames folder, you can see that there are frames extracted from all the all the videos. And as you can see from the logs, the list extraction file is extracting the cropped images for all the frames under the alphabet video frames folder. As you can see, we have cropped images for all the alphabets. Once this process is done, we go on to training and predicting the model, training and predicting. So we have configured a CNN model which is pre-trained with the data set for ASL from Kaggle, and we are actually retraining it with our videos with 5 epochs. We are basically using just one moment. We are basically using a HOG based feature extraction to obtain the vectors for each image for feature extraction, and based on that we are training and testing the model. For the purpose of testing, a set of frames extracted are also stored onto this test folder, uh, which will be tested, which will be used for predicting. Yeah. uh, yeah, once that is done, we can see the confusion matrix, uh, analyzing which we can say that the alphabets A, H, L, O, and L, O, V, and Z are getting predicted, which gives us an accuracy of 23%. Uh, this is it with the ASL alphabet prediction. Once this is done, we are prompted once again with an option to choose between these 3 options. I'll go ahead and start the word prediction, which is option 2. Once that is done, as you can see, it'll start the word frame extraction Python file, which is basically extracting frames for all the videos available under the word videos folder. um, so the word frames extractor will basically count the total number of frames available per video. It'll divide them into the number of segments equal to the number of alphabets in each word, and basically from each segment it will basically extract the middle frame. That is how we'll get the frames for each word. Yeah. uh, Once that is done, we can see that the word frames folder has uh, folders for each and every alphabet, each and every word, sorry. Similarly, this one. And post that, we go on to the word segmentation Python file, which is basically invoking the word rest extraction Python file for each word, and it will store the cropped images onto the word hand frames folder. So as you can see from the word frames folder, it is extracting each folder. For the purpose of postnet, we are creating a temporary input output folders which will be used so that it doesn't uh, override the similar words. Let's say the word BAD and BAG have B and A in common. If at all we extract the frames for each and every one into a single folder, it would overwrite it. For the purpose of that, we have used temporary input output folders so that each word extraction is done at once. All right. Once that is done, we can see that the frames for each word are getting extracted onto the word hand frames folder. Yeah. Right. Once that is done, as you can see right now, the prediction of each word starts, which is invoked from the main file. And for the process of recombining the predictions, the word because the frames are already happened, named as 1, 2 and 3, which follow the sequence of uh, the frames, we don't really have to do much with the ordering the words, but just had to combine the predictions that are already done. And the word prediction file is also using the same CNN model that is used for the ASL alphabet prediction. Right. Uh, we have considered giving out the metrics in both the total word format and also the fractional word format. So as you can see, out of the total 40 words, we have one word which is predicted completely, which accounts to 2.5% of accuracy. And in terms of fractional accuracies, we have 45 alphabets that are predicted rightly out of the 140 alphabets, combining the alphabets from all the words, which accounts to 37.5% accuracy. Once that is done, the main file is still expecting for an input. I'll just give out a 3, and yeah, we are out of the process. This is how the entire project is formulated and programmed. Uh, the video for the alphabet videos and the word videos, we have given the Google Drive links and shared it in the TXT file. They can be loaded onto the word videos and the alphabet videos folders, and the main file can be used for predicting both the ASL alphabets and videos as well. Apart from that, there is a readme file available which gives you basically a description of what all needs to be done, one step by step to go through the entire flow. And there is also a requirements.txt file which can be utilized for installing all the required libraries. Thank you.